everyone. I am Dr. Manisha Zadha, Director at Radiant Specialty Skin Clinics, Pune. And we are going to present to you a series on secrets to radiant, healthy, flawless skin and hair. As you all know, skin is the mirror of our internal health. It reflects our health and vitality as well as our physical, mental and spiritual well-being. Taking good care of our skin and hair is the first step towards creating a beautiful, radiant and flawless image of ourselves. As you all know, skin is the largest organ of our body. It is like an armor that we wear full time, and it protects us from outside infection, germs, and it conceals everything inside. It prevents excessive fluid loss through sweat. It also controls the temperature of our body, and most important of all, because of the skin we can use or we can sense everything, right from danger to love. So that is the significance of our skin. What is our skin type? That is the first question that we all need to ask ourselves. So what is my skin type and how do I come to know what it is? So let's learn about this first. How do we do it? Let me tell you. So what you need to do is, just as you are back home in the evening and relaxing, wash your face with warm water and remove off all the dirt, all the dust from your face, all the makeup which you have worn, and make sure your face is clean and clear, and then dab it with a towel and make sure your skin is totally dry. Now keep your skin as it is now, without applying anything, no lotions, no sunscreens, no ointments, etc. Don't apply anything, just keep your skin as it is for 1 hour. Now, whatever your skin projects after 1 hour is your skin type. Now let us discuss what are the possibilities. Okay. The first skin type is normal skin. How does a normal skin look? It has very few pores and it is extremely smooth and even toned. So if you touch your skin with your fingers, you will find it is smooth and supple. Neither too flaky, neither greasy. That is what a normal skin looks like. The second type is dry skin. Now dry skin is a flaky skin. It lacks moisture and it is not smooth to feel, it is rough. And I remember one advertise of Vaseline in which a small boy is driving a toy car on his mother's hand, and as he drives it on her hand, there is a white line created. So that's what happens when your skin is dry. So that's a dry skin. And the third type is the oily skin. Now an oily skin is extremely greasy. It has, the pores are wide open, and that is why they keep secreting lots of oil, and that makes our face greasy. A simple way to test if your skin is oily or not is that you will take a tissue paper and just dab it on your face, and what if you find that the tissue paper is full of grease, then it is an indication that your skin is oily. So these are the three basic types, and there's one more, fourth type, which is the combination type. In this you can find that sometimes your skin is normal, sometimes it becomes dry, and sometimes it also becomes oily. Now there is a test to identify if your skin is a combination type too. If you take a tissue paper and put it on your face, if it sticks to your forehead and your nose and your chin, then it is an indication of a combination skin type. So these are the basic skin types that are found in all the people. Now, dermatologists don't use this as a base. They have their own way of classification, which is based on the reaction of our skin to sunlight or ultraviolet light. And based on that, there are 6 basic skin types which dermatologists use to differentiate between your skin. So I hope you have got an idea about how to detect your skin type. Once you detect your skin type, it will be easy for you to take care of your skin. And I hope now you will understand the significance of visiting a dermatologist or cosmetologist to take care of your skin or consult about your skin problems, because a dermatologist first identifies your skin type and then suggests you proper solutions for your problems. So over-the-counter products, all the over-the-counter products or cosmetics will not be suitable for your skin type. That is the reason why you should avoid doing that. I hope you have liked this video, and if so, please don't forget to click on the bell icon on the video. Please do like, subscribe and share with maximum of your friends and family members so that they too can identify their skin type and take care of their skin accordingly. Now that we have found our skin type, we should learn how to take care of our skin, and the first step towards this skincare is cleansing our skin. So in our next video, we are going to learn about cleansers and what is their use and how to use them, all about it in the next video. So stay tuned. Till then, look radiant, feel radiant. Bye for now.